Hey, I can definitely draft the speech for the campaign. No, no, no. We already drafted the speech at ito ang susundin mo. In a few days time, itong tututukan mo at tututukan natin. Paano po yung nakiklaim na anak ni Tito Elias? I mean, as a mother, shouldn't I say something about that?
Listen, just concentrate on this.
Yes, Tito.
Sa tingin mo ba nagsasabi ng totoo yung bata?
Well, you know your Tito Elias. Nangawa na rin ng listahan ng mga nakarelasyon yung babae. Most of them, if not all, would like peace of a family. So, can you blame them?